my channel. So for today's video, I made a tutorial on how to set up your fully automatic washing machine, especially Toshiba GreatWaves, to to spin only mode. So the last time I made a video about how to set up your Toshiba GreatWaves to manual mode, especially if you prefer to soak your clothes to longer time, to rinse it more, to dry it more, to wash it more. So I hope you watched that already. So I'm gonna put the link here about that video so you could watch it. So this time I'll be focusing on how to set up your washing machine to spin only mode. So please watch this. So the first thing is you have to turn on your washing machine and then just let it stay on the regular mode. You don't have to touch this area, and then just go through the process. So first one, the goal is you have to make the soak, wash, rinse to zero minutes, so that this washing machine will not soak, will not wash, will not rinse. It will only spin. So let's do it. So the soak is 0 already, and then wash, let's make it 0, and then the rinse also, let's make it to 0, and then the spin, it will work in 7 minutes, but sometimes if it's rainy season, I do to 9 minutes. Yeah. And then just click start. So in 9 minutes, this washing machine will spin or dry your clothes. So that's it. I hope you learned something from me today, and please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more video and for more tutorials. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!